What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know, and I'm currently in Warri City. So Warri City is actually another city in Delta State, and I'm here to show you guys how this city looks like as of 2022. So you guys stay tuned, get any refreshment you can lay your hands on. Let's walk outside and explore the city, and I'll show you guys how this amazing city looks like. You know, actually this will be like my second time being in this city. So currently I am in ShopRite. So when I turn around at the background, that's Warri City, and we are going to explore the city as much as I can. So stay tuned and let's move. I want to go Airport Road by is that by Junction. You know the place? How much? Huh? No. Person wait tell me send at 700 they take it. Make I call him now. You go 1,000. My credit don't finish. If I reach there, say no be 1,000. You go pay me back.
Maybe you reach there, you send a 1,500.
I go balance you. I go balance you. Now agreement now. If I reach there, no be now agreement. Agreement is agreement. Yes. If I reach there, send a 1,400. I go balance you. If you say no be 1,000, you go balance me. Okay, now in the call myself. Now what be this?
Yes, check.
Wait, now how you be this thing?
You know there yet? You are not toying now. I make the soap.
It's more for the 500. So guys, I just got here. I'm kind of like getting the feelings of me being in Port Harcourt. Yeah, like that vibe of Warri and Port Harcourt seems like, you know, for me, like I'm getting the same kind of feelings, especially by the look of the environment, the buildings, the road, the sand. Because the sand I'm seeing here are white sand, unlike in some part of southeastern Nigeria. So guys, currently I am on my way to Jogam Beach and Resort. I've seen this place before on YouTube, so I want to go there myself. I want us to go together, so let's go explore the resort and see how the resort looks like. I heard it's also one of the interesting places to, you know, tour around, or one of the interesting places to visit whenever you come to Warri. So guys, we go together, go check it out and see what they have in stock for us. Hey guys, we are here at the Jogan Resort and Beach, so we are gonna go inside and check out some facilities they have here. So for the meantime, I'm gonna be showing you guys the view of the place. I'm gonna be quick as much as possible because there are still other places I want to visit here in Warri, so I want to make use of my day very well. So this is the entrance. So guys, first of all I have to get a ticket, an entrance ticket, so that way I can access, you know, the facility. Hello, well done. I need a ticket. How much? So now I'm free to go anywhere, right? Okay. Hopefully hopefully, you know, it's worth the journey. I hope to be excited, or I hope to see good stuff. I hope to see good stuff. That's the tickets.
Yeah, welcome. I'm going now.
Oh. So guys, check it out. It's not a bad one. So right there they have a mini basketball what's it called, basketball rim. That's like a full open space, like you can play soccer. They have the full post and they have the smaller post. So I guess all these tents here are for chilling. So let's get closer to the water view and see how it really looks like. So this kind of like a small hut where you want to chill. So by the way guys, the time right now is almost 12 p.m. As you can see, this will actually not be the right time to visit here because of the sun. So I think the best time definitely is going to be like very early in the morning, or you know, in the evening, so where by that time the weather is calm, the sun is down, then you can thrive and do your stuff. So as you can see, there are some other games you can play within the water. There is boats here, there is kayaking, and also there is something like a a moving hut, like you can actually be moving while chilling inside the water. So I think they're doing fish here. So this is some catfish in case you want to chop fish. Hello, well done. So that's some duck. I don't want to get closer, so I don't want to scare them. Dogs sometimes can be very aggressive. So far so good. I think the water here has dried up, as you can see. Oh, they have animals here. Let's check it out. What do they have here? Oh, that's rabbits. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, they're scared. This is a smaller one. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, actually, it look cute. Hello, rabbit. I'm here. Well, unfortunately, I didn't get anything for you guys because I didn't know that you guys would be here. I will do better next time, okay?
Alan, come down.
Amalians be their name. Well done.
That one.
Okay.
This one Amalian. That's why it's down like giant.
Now be the oldest.
Alas. I want it. Come down now.
You know, one share and self.
Just like you want to collect that one, you will see five.
And the people say that they fear him. Nobody they come close.
No. Alias.
Monkeys. When I get another animal for you.
Crocodile the other side.
Which side?
Inside.
Straight.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, let's go check out crocodile. Yeah, I don't see this one, rabbit.
What is there?
Same place also.
No. Look at that tortoise cave here.
The small cave.
Yes, and piggy.
So this place now, where you take a function, where people they come?
On Sunday, Saturday.
Around what time?
Let me say at some 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
So this area now, what you go call this area? This one now still Warri with this.
Yeah, so they call it Eboh Federal Junction.
Eboh Federal Junction.
Yes, inside the Eboh.
Okay.
Jogan Beach.
Yeah, Jogan Beach and Resorts. And for this thing I see I'm from online.
Okay.
I say make I reach, make I come see myself. You get another place where they like this, Abraka Bridge.
Yes.
The crocodile. Okay. Hey. So guys, you guys can see. Now 2 days there.
Yes, now 2 days there. See, look at one small one there.
Okay.
You can able to turn around if your slippers will not wet.
Here no day deep.
I just follow you. Just follow myself.
Okay.
Just come close to this place.
So guys, that's the crocodile there. This is a smaller one. And over there is the bigger one. Okay, they can actually from here enter.
Yeah, this one is the main crocodile here. That one is Agama lizard.
Okay, this one is Agama lizard.
Yeah.
Alligator.
Yes, alligator.
Okay, this one is the main crocodile.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why they put in different
Way.
So that one. So.
But the alligator is more bigger.
Yes.
Okay.
The water dry fish, you see it well.
What's in there for this pond there?
Fish.
Fish.
Yes.
Alright bro, thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
Make I just look around small.
Okay, bro.
So guys, I heard there are paintball here. So in case you come into Warri and you're looking for a place to have fun, I think this is also a nice place to have some fun, because there are so many, you know, activities that you can engage yourself in. The paintball, the water ride, like the guy said, they play soccer here, basketball, handball. There are also some hoverboard. There is a pool table tennis, and so many other things, so many other stuff here. This is actually a nice one. So most times I think the right time to come is on Saturdays and Sundays. So that time is the best time to have fun here. And also, as you can see, all these bars, all these small huts here, they are for merriment. You can stay there, chill, and do your stuff, drink. So actually want to come closer to show you guys the paintball. So if you're a shooter for fun, this is the right place. How about, brother? How you doing? And that's the hoverboard there. I think they're charging it. So guys, I think I'm gonna look for a place to fly a drone. Let me show you guys. No, it's not gonna be on this particular vlog, so maybe it's gonna be before or after this video, where I'll get to show you guys the area view of Warri as in Warri city as in whole. So stay tuned in the channel and keep enjoying the videos. Going to cities without visiting the popular market or maybe the biggest market there makes my journey uncompleted. So right now I think I have to head to a market popularly called a foreign market here in Warri. So it has been a very a pleasant stay here. I think if you're looking for a place to chill whenever you come to Warri, a very cool place, ask it from the city, very serene area to come and do a lot of activities. I think this is the right place. So inside here they got swimming pool and also a chilling place to, you know, do your stuff. Like, you guys have seen everything. So guys, enough of the talking. Time to hop inside the keke na pepe and head to the market. I'll see you on the road. Right now I'm at the forum market, so we're going to walk around to show you guys how the market looks like, so stay tuned.
Now depends the person. Let me not say one.
Regarde,
So basically guys, this is the back of the market. So there is a river at the back of the market. And right over there, that's the slaughter. So where they kill live meats and distribute to the market. So I have to get back to the market. We go check out other sections where they sell some other things. So as you can see, this is our meat, fresh meat section.
Still your doors in your hands.
Yeah, sorry.
I did find you yesterday, may you pay me for your gas. Big Oga buy more. Before I leave here, Big Oga don't go.
That gate, through that gate.
Big girl. What a big mineral. Come on, they go me daddy. Where's that? More of us okay.
So guys, I think I'm heading out of band. I think I'm going out from the market. So I think basically I'm done from here. I just want to give you guys a glimpse of how the market looks like. So maybe on a very good day, I'll do more video about the market and I'll show you guys things so there and stuff. So I think we're good from here, right? Or you still want to look around the market? I think we're good from here. So we'll do this thing next time. We'll check out some other markets next time. So this is the Forum Market in Warri, Delta State. and I'm about signing off from here. Then we'll be heading to another location, guys. Hopefully I find my way out. It's actually a big one. Hopefully. Oh, I think I lost my way. No, I don't want anything. I think I lost my way. I have to find. Excuse.
Yeah, I want to bite now.
You the video our market
No. I'm okay, fine. No. I don't come here before. That road now, water going for the end. So guys, I am here. Actually, I don't know the current location where I am, but I had to tell the KK guy driving with me to just take me around. Let me see more of the city. I think I've been here. Before. This is actually my second time in this specific location, but I don't know whether. Yeah, I can see some sheeps. So I've been here before, and I just want to show you guys the water side of Warri city. So I think I'm gonna throw up a drone here just to show you guys more of this place. So like I said, it's gonna be on my next video. It's not actually gonna be on this video. So this video is basically all about vlog and exploring the city, just a very close range. So I think I'm gonna go closer to the bridge, water side, so you guys could see more view of this place. So that's the river behind me. So that's the water behind me here. So when you look at the right hand side, that's the, you can see some sheeps there. And I don't really know much about this place, so in order not to misinform you guys, so I'm gonna keep moods and just show you guys, you know, the view. So guys, actually I was just informed that this place is called Eboh in Warri, and here you can see those vessels you are seeing are private vessels. It's a private company. And this area also they build ship, still constructing the ship. So I think after that they will put inside the river. So guys, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna sign off here. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care from wherever you're watching. Cody.